Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts in a donut maker. First, gather all your ingredients, including flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Next, preheat your donut maker to the temperature specified in its manual. Finally, lightly grease the donut maker plates with a little oil or cooking spray. This simple step ensures your delicious donuts won't stick, making removal much easier. Now, let's prepare the batter. In one bowl, combine your dry ingredients, and in another, mix your wet ingredients. Gently combine the wet and dry mixtures until they are just blended. Overmixing can lead to tough donuts. Once your batter is ready, transfer it into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with one corner snipped off. This makes filling the donut maker much neater. It's time to cook. Carefully pipe the batter into each donut cavity, filling them about 2/3 full. Be careful not to overfill, or your donuts might overflow. Close the lid of your donut maker and let them cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they have a beautiful golden brown color and feel springy to the touch. Once cooked, carefully remove your hot donuts from the maker using a non-scratch utensil. Place them on a wire rack to cool completely before you add any glaze or toppings. This cooling step is crucial for the glaze to set properly. Now, for a quick tip, check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.